In this video, we're going to give an overview of section 5.4 on eigenvectors and linear transformations. So a lot of what we'll talk about in this section is going to generalize the change of basis stuff that we saw in section 4.7. In 4.7, we found a matrix that let us convert from a coordinate vector in terms of some basis b to another coordinate vector in terms of a different basis c. Now we're going to add a linear transformation into the mix. But still what we're after is we're going to be after this matrix, a formula for this matrix that sort of performs the same transformation that t will on x, but lets us do that directly from one coordinate system to another. Learning goal 2, whoops, let's erase this line. I'm not sure how that got in there. Learning goal 2 is a special case of this first formula where the vector space W is the same thing as V. So the domain and the codomain are the same. So we'll look at this formula a little bit more closely in a following video. And the third learning goal is, well, in the special case that I talked about in learning goal 2, just ever so briefly, this matrix that we'll investigate in learning goal 2, we'll talk about, well, when is that matrix going to be diagonal? What has to happen for that to be true?